All right, Pragya, stay on with us. We have some breaking inputs coming in at the moment, and we also have Pavit joining us on the broadcast with more details on that. Let's in fact share the breaking inputs with our viewers. The Indian Air Defence System has intercepted Pak missile. That's what we're given to understand. The Pak missile was intercepted in Amritsar. That's the breaking input we are sharing with our viewers. Pavit is with us on the broadcast to get us more details on that. Pavit, tell us more about the breaking input coming to fore about the Indian Air Defence System that has intercepted a Paki missile in Amritsar.
Yes, exactly. Right now I'm present at a village called Makhan Vindi, which is in Amritsar, and then the visuals you can see that the army has arrived, and we are right now at the spot where yesterday around there was an intel, and after that the intel, it was said that there were few missiles which were found in the village. You can see that after the Operation Sindoor airstrike on Pakistan, there were some unidentified missiles were discovered in 3 villages of Amritsar. One of the village where I'm standing right now is the Makhan Vindi, which is in Jethuwal. So after this, the trigger alarm in the region has been created. You can see in the visuals right now that the police parties have arrived at the place, and they have cordoned off the whole area, and they are collecting the pieces of the missiles which were found yesterday. The objects are confirmed that these are the rocket missiles. The SSP also confirmed the same, that army parties were informed about the same. The Indian Army was informed of for the same, and a specialized team has been dispatched. And here in the visuals you can see that a specialized team of Indian Army is here, who is investigating and taking custody of the missile parts which are
along
here.
With that, so Pavit, stay on with us. Along with that, what we are also given to understand, given how the situation there is evolving, there will be a complete blackout in district Gurdaspur for 8 hours from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Deputy Commissioner Gurdaspur, in fact, I believe, has issued orders that the windows of Central Jail Gurdaspur and all the hospitals will be kept closed from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Pavit.
Yes, this is a very big breaking which is coming right now, and a very big development we can say after the Operation Sindoor in Gurdaspur, because we are well aware that Gurdaspur is a very critical area, and it has its borders, international borders with Pakistan. And the biggest breaking of the hour is coming from there, that from 9 p.m. till 5 a.m. in the morning, that is for around 8 hours, the Gurdaspur district will witness a complete blackout. Yesterday also, if I talk particularly about Amritsar, a complete blackout was witnessed here also. First, the blackout was for 10:30 till 11. After that, if I talk particularly the place where I'm present right now, a complete blackout again unfolded in the middle of the night. So these are the development which are coming again and again from Punjab, because Punjab shares around more than 500 kilometers of area with the border area sharing with Pakistan, and it is a very sensitive place when it comes to the retaliation by the Indian Army or by the Pakistani Rangers. So this is becoming a very sensitive area right now in Amritsar. If I particularly talk about, these are the villages which share their boundaries with Pakistan, and right now also we are witnessing one of the most important thing, that even you can see that the farmers here are helping out the Indian Army to dismantle all these things, and even you can see that the Indian Army specialized teams are present here to take the custody of the missile, the parts of the missiles which were found by the villagers in the morning hours today. So right now the biggest breakings are coming from the Punjab region, be it Gurdaspur, be it Amritsar, villages that where missiles are being found, where complete blackout is being asked for. So these are the developments which are coming again and again from Amritsar.